Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three cryptos which are Injective, Avalanche and Algorand. We will see where they might move over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our real-time trading signals on cryptos, stocks, forex and commodities. Then you can join our community on patreon.com/financial trading academy. Disclaimer, that's not a financial advice, you will be trading on your own. Let's start with Injective. We have been sending an alert to our Patreon stating that once breaking above the key level at $3, we would have been experiencing a strong run-up for Injective. Right now we are at $6.70. Let's see where they might move over. Injective might move over next days. First of all, we have detected a huge increase in terms of volumes. As you can see here, that's a weekly chart. We see three huge weekly volumes. In other words, the strong hands have been entering the market and buying massively. So where we can project Injective over the next weeks and months? Definitely after having broken above the mentioned area and after having tested successfully the area at $5.7, we definitely can project Injective going to hit the following area between 10.7 and this area $14.70. Okay, we are quite confident that now Injective will be moving vertically even stronger. So while here we see a progression before at 45 degrees and now at 60 degrees, we believe that we're now going at 90 degrees, like it happened here. Soon, probably before the end of the year, we're going to test, much probably before the end of the year, we are going to test this area around between 10.50 and this area 12 with excursion at $15. Now let's move on and let's analyze Avalanche. Okay, Avalanche has different chart when compared with Injective, yet is the second our preferred out of the three mentioned. Okay, and then we will see what we can expect from Algorand. First of all, we have detected bullish divergence. In fact, if we analyze the unbalanced volumes, we see higher lows, while we see here lower lows. Okay, that's a very strong bullish signal. Now to keep going, we need again an increase in terms of volumes like it happened here. Okay, and that was in August 2021 when we saw an incoming huge increase of volumes, and then we've seen Avalanche going from $18 till $140. Okay, we believe that something similar might happen over the next weeks, but obviously we need to monitor the volumes. Okay, again here we see a bullish divergence on the oscillator. Right now in terms of price action, the most important barrier is set up at $20. Okay, once breaking above the $20, definitely we have space till at least $40 in the first moment, and then we're going definitely to hit the second barrier at $60. Okay, so we as a financial trading academy, we are setting up a buy limit above the $20 with first target at $40, second one at $60. We are quite confident that this is something which is going to happen over the next weeks. Again, this bullish divergence is extremely important. Now let's move on and let's analyze Algorand. Algorand is the third choice. As you can see here, we see a relative strength which is lower than Injective and Avalanche. So Injective is our first choice, having broken the most important barrier, Avalanche second one, and Algorand in the last one. Okay, why? Here we see, first of all, the prices keeping moving horizontally with the reduced volatility. When that happens, normally we experience a breakout, which can be obviously on the upside or also on the downside. In terms of volumes, we do not see particular activity. Let's say that Algorand right now is a bit dormant, yet we see a slight bullish divergence on the oscillator, but again we are not that confident about Algorand right now. In order to see some strong movement and a movement up, we definitely need something like it happened here, a huge incoming volume. Okay, So what might happen? First of all, Algorand will need to recover the 0.30 US dollar, which is fundamental, okay? That is something that obviously it might happen, but again, in order to understand where Algorand might move on the upper side, we need to at least recover the 0.30 US dollar. Okay guys, if you want to receive our trading signals on cryptos, stocks, forex and commodities, then you can join our community on Patreon at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Thank you guys.